Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to get sneakers drops on sneakers using a PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to sneakers website and make sure you are logged into your account. Before any drop, make sure your shipping address is saved, your payment method is added, and your account info is correct. This saves time during the drop. Click on upcoming tab at the top of your screen. Here you will see which sneakers are releasing, the release date and exact time, whether it's a draw or first come. Always note the release time so you don't miss it. Log in 10 to 15 minutes early on a PC. Make sure you are already signed in, your internet connection is stable, and you know your shoe size. Being prepared matters more than speed. When the drop goes live, click on the sneaker. If it's draw, click enter draw, select your size and submit your entry. If it's first come first serve, click buy immediately, confirm your purchase. For draws, if you win, your card is charged and the shoe shipped. If you lose, nothing happens and you don't pay. Most people don't win every time. To improve your chance, enter drops regularly, browse and interacts on sneakers, avoid bots and multiple accounts. Nike favors real and consistent users. And that's it. That's a simple and clear explanation of how to get sneakers drop on sneakers using an PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.